How to freeze a clip in Capcut on Mac. So all you're gonna have to do is to open your Capcut project and select the clip which you want to freeze. For example, I got here this one. And there are multiple ways how you can freeze this clip. So select the exact timestamp where you want to freeze it. For example, here, and right click on edit and find freeze. So this is my new freezed clip. You can customize how long it will be freezed. So if I now play this clip, as you can see, it's freezed and now it continues. Second way how you can freeze this clip, select the timestamp again where you want to freeze it, and here should be this little icon, and here is the option freeze, so you can quickly freeze it using this shortcut. So click freeze and the clip will be freezed on that place where is your timeline. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and see you next time.